Okay, welcome. So today's video, I tried getting a car loan, which is about the car cost about 3 million naira. So when I went to their monthly, their loan, it was not correct. I tried calculating how much I'll be paying monthly, but after doing it, it was not going on very well. I tried calling their customer care, but it was actually late when I tried. So I just decided to do a loan calculator and see how it turns out. Like here, if the car is 3 million with interest of 28, I do a down payment of 1.7 and I have to pay it for 24 months. It's still giving me this. If I do this for 24 months, now this time is 24 months, it's still about 3 million, I think. So it was yes 2.3.7, so it's actually not really correct after this down payment. So I decided to do something like this. Don't mind the responsiveness, it's the screen of my desktop to actually show somehow better when I reduce the screen. So anyway, so with this, let me show you what it does. So you put the car price, put the down payment 1.7, down payment, interest of 28. Let me just go with that. 28. I want to pay for 24 months. So this is what I'm supposed to pay monthly, 87,000, not 155. Anyway, let me show you how I did this with JavaScript and HTML. It's very simple and easy to understand. So I'm just going to show you right now. Let's get started. So I'll be using VS Code. Let's create an index.html file. Inside, and we use this shorthand, this, and enter. So to create a template for us, so we'll be using this. So let me split the screen. First, let me open a live server that we can see what we are doing. Hello. So this open live server. Live server is opened. So I'm going to use Chrome. Somehow I prefer Chrome, I don't know why. So I'm going to close this and open the link in Chrome. Press that, open it. I'm going to split the screen so that we can see what we are doing. Okay. So now we're going to start. Let me take this out of the body. Let's see. So long calculator. I'm going to print a div with an ID of container, just in case if we decide to do it later, if we decide to style it later, so it will be much easier. Container. So what we are looking at is so we are going to create different sections: car price, down payment, interest rates, and months with the results. Okay, so let's do that. First we save this. To save this. Sorry, I'm making a mistake. Car price. Put any currency you want. So let's put the input box. This is ID, this price. One maximum of say 100 million. Let's use on change. Yes, for the JavaScript letter is repeat. So we've done this, and we need to do it for 5 down payment interest rate. So I'm going to copy this and replicate it much faster. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I made a mistake, sorry about that. Copy this. One, two, three, four, 5, 6. So we're going to change the names. First one is down payment. Heading is down payment. Number, maximum, minimum, and change. Okay. Yeah, sorry about this. Let's do this. This is JavaScript. Next one is interest rate. Interest rate in percentage. And it is going to be interest rate. Type number, minimum 1, maximum of 100. Change all this. Let's make it value of 10%. So so 0.1. So the next one is months, interest rate, month. Yes. Save this. Variety of months. Stop is number. Minimum is 1, maximum let's say 24, let's say 50 months. And make this like this. And don't think we need all this. Sorry about that. This is so much. So I'm going to delete this remaining H2 and then add the results. H2 an idea of payment. So payment equals to dollar result. So let's save this, and layout is all done. So now let's look at the JavaScript aspect. So I'm connect all this with the calculations. Okay, scripts. Integrate a script file. I'm going to use the function that will called complete long. So then let's take it one after the other. Price is equal to get ID. Price. Let's see, price. That's value. Down payment. Down payment is equal to document dot get down payment dot further. The next one. Interest rate document. So this 4 is all done. Now the result, I think I have to calculate it. How to calculate the result? Let me call this down payment with D payment. Down payment goes to the price minus normal down payment that you're going to add. Interest rate. So let's do this. Interest. This is for the results calculation itself, so I'm trying to shorten the variables. So for interest, interest. is equal to say the price times interest rate times 0.01. So set two decimal places first. 2 and let's do the result. 2 let me find this. Let me see if it's working. Document dot get element ID payment that's inner HTML is equal to payment. I just need to see if it's working. I need to save that and try logging this one. So 22222. It's not it. Let's show the console. See what the problem is. Compute and change. Okay. Months, getting error for months. Let's look at what happened to the months. Okay, I made a mistake. Use capital M. So let's save that and try again. 2 months, 22 months, 22 months. Okay, it's working. Thank God. I was hoping that was normal. Thank God it didn't. So right now it's working. Let me try it again. 3 million car loan. Not this. 3 million car loan. Down payment of 1.7. 1.7. Paste it here. Interest rate of 28. Okay. In 24 months. See, 87,000. So forgot to add the currency, but you can do that. And for the CSS, it's simple. can easily create new file, style.css also. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to drop a link to the CSS. I don't want this video to be too long, but this is working, so that is the main thing. I'm going to drop the link to the CSS, link to the file. So if you like the CSS and you want to use it, it's not much of anything, just gradient and styling. So I'll drop the link. If you want to use it, you can use it, and I'll see you on the next video.